Hey you! Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a Christmas clean and decorate with me. I know you might be a bit confused and wondering why you're seeing Halloween decorations when it's like mid-December. Well, truth be told, I have been lazy, that's it, there's no better excuse. I've just been lazy and procrastinating. I didn't even decorate for Thanksgiving, I just left it as it is. But it's never too late to start fresh, and today's a perfect day to do just that. So let's get right into cleaning this mess. This store could use a fresh coat of paint, but right now I'm just gonna wait till next year to do that. And those pillowcases I got from Amazon, because look at the pillows, they were originally like Halloween pillows and they said boo and they were so cute, but like they got sun faded, so I had to unfortunately cover them up with new pillowcases. So I actually ended up washing the pillows, the rug, the pillowcases, and the doormat before I stored them. That way they're fresh to go for next year and I don't have to do any extra work. So here was the next morning, and I just added some Fabuloso to water, and I started scrubbing with this brush that I got from Target. So this is the wreath I'm going to be adding to the door, and I got it from Walmart. I'm gonna say 2 to 3 years back, and I added some stuff to it so it wasn't so plain. I think I'm gonna add some of these items to the wreath as well. And I wanted to show you all this light that I purchased on Amazon. It was like $12 because when I bought it, it had a 60 or 70% off coupon. I have to say that even if it wasn't 60% off, I think I would repurchase it now because I really liked it. And I will be linking it down below on my Amazon storefront so you guys can see it for yourself. purchased both these pillows at Bell's Outlet, and they are kind of expensive, but I figured that I just use them for many more years to come. And this throw was from TJ Maxx. This basket I stole from my daughter's room. And this I bought from a thrift store a really long time ago, I think for like about $1, and I never really got around to using it, but today I'm going to place it in here. And this will give the tree that I'm going to place in here a little bit of height. These I got from the Dollar Tree on Halloween. I'm just removing the spiders that come along with it. I think it's supposed to be a spider web, but I will be using it as snow to cover up the planter stand. And here I just started wrapping around the lights because I had so many left over that I had to get rid of them somehow. So I feel like the bench is missing like some sort of red to tie in all the colors together. So I'm gonna add this pillow, as you guys can see here. So here it is with the added pillow. I'm actually not sure if I like that all too much. Let me know what you guys think, if it looks better without the red pillow. I just felt like it was like too much red going on the other side, and it was like missing a pop of red right here. So for the side table, I didn't add anything else to it because I felt like it was already too much going on. And this is the tree, my sad tree, that I added to the little basket. And I also placed it on this little stepping stool because I felt like it needed a little bit of height. And I don't like how the stepping stool looks, so I added like these little gifts right here. And they don't match, but I had this from previous years and I hadn't taken them out in forever because I don't really like the colors anymore. But I mean, I guess it matches with the ornaments. I don't like those gold ornaments either. I'm gonna remove them actually. I don't like those gold ornaments, and I was planning on adding some green, but I don't know. I'm not in the shopping mood lately, so I haven't gone. And for this year, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I might buy some green ones if I go to Hobby Lobby later, and I'll update you guys if I do, but for now, it's just like that. I mean, at least the gold and gold match, right? Here we have this. I added these over here as well so it wouldn't look so empty. Also, I added this floodlight that I already had, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks later on. When it gets dark, it looks so nice. One more thing, I know I had a black rug here and I didn't add it because I felt like it was too many colors already going on. So it's just gonna stay like that for no rug for Christmas. Maybe next year I'll find a nice cream color rug that goes along with the decor, but for this year it's just gonna be empty. And this is how it looks at night. And this is from the outside. Well, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Missing someone. Someone